Facial recognition aka Face ID is one of the most important features in mobile phones nowadays. So I had a question, can I have a Face ID for my Arduino project? And the answer is yes. My journey started as follows. Step 1. Access to webcam. The first step for the facial recognition was to have an access to a camera or a computer vision. Since India is under lockdown, the cheapest solution which I found was to use my computer's webcam, to which I had an access with a Python program using openCV module. Step 2. Face identification. With the help of the same openCV module and a bit of Python programming, it was easy to detect a face in the video stream from the webcam. And the data processed was a n-dimensional NumPy array. Step 3. Data collection. Once the face was identified, I need to train my program to identify that it's me. Therefore, I had to do a bit of data collection with which I can train the program. Step 4. Training. Since the data processed was a NumPy array, I had to convert the data collected into a NumPy array as well, which will be used for the comparison. And to differentiate the data of different persons, I provided a specific label to them and exported both the labels and the trained data. Step 5. Face recognition. I had already programmed to detect faces. So I imported both the labels and the trained data into the program, and by doing a bit of comparison between the actual data and the trained data, I was able to recognize the faces. Step 6. Programming Arduino. For an example project, I have built a LED chaser and also programmed an LCD display. Whenever my face is detected, the circuit starts to work, and whenever other face is detected, it stops to work. With these simple steps into consideration, I was able to build a Face ID for my Arduino project. Stay tuned on my channel to find out how I built this project in detail. Share this video to help me grow my channel, and a like would be appreciated.